Hey guys, and welcome back to Fun with Rue. Today's video is especially for my dad, who is one of my biggest supporters for my YouTube channel. Happy Father's Day, Dada, and to all the dads over the world, happy Father's Day to you. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY paper wallet. Not compulsory you make it for only Father's Day, you can make it for your dad's birthday or any occasion. So this is the outside. And this is the inside. So over here it's like an actual wallet with the cards inside. Okay, so let's begin. So first you start by taking an A4 size sheet, then you fold it like this. Try to fold it properly. Okay, after you fold it, make sure you fold it equally. You can see this line here. Then you have to fold the right hand side half up to that line only, and even fold the left hand side half up to that line. Okay, now after you fold it up to that line, you open it, and over here you'll see a line has become. So on the right hand side, fold this. Yes. Okay, so just fold it like this, and after you fold it till this line over here, take another fold, but make sure you do this only on the right hand side. So basically when the paper is facing towards you, it's supposed to look like this. Next, you turn it and make sure that fold this part into half, and then make sure that this part, which is the right hand side part, is facing down towards you. Okay, now next over here, take your ruler and take approximately 1.5 centimeters on both the sides and fold it like this. So the approximate will be around 1.5 centimeters. Okay, and after you do that, do it on the other side too. Okay, so I folded it on both the sides. It can be up to like 2 centimeters or 1.5. Now after you fold it, take this flap over here, okay, open it up, and then just make a small triangle. Okay, make a small triangle with the flap. Let me show you. Okay, yeah. So over here I've made a small triangle with the flap. So make a small triangle with the flap, okay, and then you fold it back in like this. You fold it back in, okay, and make sure that you press it so it gets the fold properly. And you do the same with the other side. You have to make another small triangle over here. There. Make sure you press it so it gets folded properly and doesn't come out. Okay, now after you do this, you have to take this. Okay, yes, so make sure the triangular folds don't come out. After that, you take the part which was facing towards you, that's the down part, and fold it into half. You can see this like small line here. So then you fold this into half. Okay, and after you fold it into half, you have to put it in these pockets over here. So over here we have made these. So you just fold it and push this part in this pocket, and do the same with the other side. Okay, and after you do it, just turn, like it will be like this after you do it. So just turn it around and the wallet is ready. And then you have to just make sure you take the exact center and you fold it exactly into half like this. Okay guys, so the wallet is ready. It has 2 different compartments, one over here and one here. And I'm going to show you what you can do for the outside in 3, 2, 1. So this, you can do this for the outside. The face looks super cute. So for the eyes, you can take your rounder and measure to about 1.3 to 1.5 centimeters. The face, you can do it roughly or approximate, and these lines you can just do it roughly. It makes it look like a cute but real wallet. And for the inside, you can do this. So for the inside, I've made some flashcards. So make sure you measure it. So all of my flashcards are 8.5 centimeters by 8.7 centimeters by length, and by width I think it is 6 centimeters. This measurement is only for you who are using A4 size sheet. If you are using smaller, then please do measure it, otherwise it will go wrong. So I have prepared these flashcards right here, and like you can put them in the wallet. So over here I'll just put these flashcards in the wallet. So guys, this is a very easy thing to make. You can make this under 5 minutes. I've just made it under 3 minutes. So you can make this whole thing by 5 minutes or under 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. The DIY wallet. It's a DIY paper wallet, and it's like a very good gift. Like if you don't know what to give your father, or like for any occasion, if you don't know what to give the person, you can just make this wallet, and it looks super cute. And plus, like if you've forgotten to make a gift for any occasion, you can just like you'll just need some papers, some color pencils, and a scissor to cut out those postcards, and it'll be ready in 5 minutes. So guys, I hope you all enjoy this video. Once again, happy Father's Day to everyone, especially Dada. Happy Father's Day, Dada. And guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And since it's Father's Day, please go check out the Father-Daughter Dart Challenge Part 1. I've linked that in the description down below. I hope you all enjoyed it, guys. Bye. Thank you, and see you soon.